Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Exciting. In front of me, what I have right now is the recent release from one model. I think it's their second 164 series. The Pandem EG6. The first one that I've seen in resin was the Honda Mugen FB2. Mugen. Okay, so this one, I think it's the second one. I don't think they've done anything in between. It's the EG6 in Pandem body kit. Of course, someone else has already done this before, but I do see a little bit of difference here and there. Let's get straight to it. Okay, I did a little bit of a shortcut, so I already got it out of the base. There you go. Okay, but first look is packaging wise, it's pretty standard. Okay, it's pretty standard. It's made in China. Okay, scale 164, one model. It's their iconic red. All right, so that's a packaging. It's pretty straightforward. Okay. Okay, let's go to the car. It is definitely very similar to the one that initial model has done previously. Okay, but this one does have its flair to it, a certain flair to it. Okay, I really like the wheels on this one. Okay, the 4-spoke, it's freaking nuts. You can see a little bit of the brake caliper in there, the red color caliper. You can see there's a roll cage on the inside as well in silver. Okay, and then let's just take a turn and look at the other side. Okay, what I really like, okay, from the front, right, it looks pretty standard if you ask me, but from the back, okay, I really like the aftermarket lights. That is very nice. Okay, so I do really like how it sits on the road. That's actually very nice. And let's just do a very quick roll test, okay? Because this is only the second one model 164 that I have so far. All right. Okay, it doesn't roll. Okay, it's just a lump of rubber down there. Okay, rubber wheels, plastic base, die-cast material. Okay. All right, I do have a couple of extras of these, so if you're looking for some, you can hit me up on Instagram or on Facebook. Okay, and of course, when you want to do a video of this one, right, you can't just do it by itself. You got to do a comparison with the IG, right. Okay, so first hand, right, on first look itself, the wheels is different. Okay, the wheels is different. This one has that turbo fan, I think that's what they call it, the turbo fan kind of wheel. Same thing, both doesn't roll. Overall, the shape is really very similar, but the one model one does look a little bit bigger compared to the initial model. Okay, let's just do a very quick comparison there. It is a little bit bigger. Okay, it does look a little bit wider as well. Okay, all right, and then initial model actually did manage to do that, all that little details on the fender. Okay, while one model actually just put the dots on it. It doesn't look like it's an actual groove or part on the mold itself. It's just, yeah, printed detailing. Okay, so that's why the initial model one does look a little bit more realistic if you ask me. Okay, the tail lights, that is something that's very different. Okay, but if you ask me, I think both have its merits. Okay, I do like, of course, I think initial model did pull off quite a lot more details. You see, even the headlamps, the initial model ones does look much nicer. Okay, but this costs less. Okay, that's one thing, and also yeah, it costs less basically. Okay, so yeah, can't argue with that. But I think this is quite nice to have because a lot of people do complain this older initial model EG6 is quite expensive now. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, rather than buying, spending money on that, I think this one is pretty decent. Okay, so that's I really like, you see, even the wheels had that Avant branding on it. That's pretty cool. All right, cool. So as usual, I will be taking more close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtualtoys.mj. Okay, remember to hit the subscribe button and do follow me on Facebook as well. If you're looking for any of diecasts and stuff, I do usually have a couple more extras. You can contact me on Facebook. Shout out to Monster Miniature. The K Mura figure I have here is actually made by him, and then I have figures from OXM and also figures from Midas as well. Okay, so yep, that's about it for this time around. For this video. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, all right, stay safe and stay sane, guys. Bye.